Improve your business with this great affiliate marketing advice. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money from the comforts of your own home. However, if you want to start, you might have questions and don't know where to begin. This video is full of simple tips and tricks that will not only answer your questions, but guide you to success through affiliate marketing. Design your site for people. A well-designed site increases the probability that your visitors will follow the path that you want them to. If your site is messy and unorganized, you will never get a customer who understands your product, let alone one that wants to buy what you're selling. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, try to find companies that give you credit for any orders you send them, not just ones that click through from your page. See if they have a way to track email, phone or fax orders as well. If you want to make the highest payout with your affiliate marketing programs, you need to focus on content that captures the reader's attention and makes them see you as an expert with solutions. They will not just blindly click on advertising, but are more likely to click through if you are seen as an authority on the subject. The affiliate website owner places the merchant's ads on his site and he gets paid when someone clicks on the retailer's ad. The site is easy to build and easy to update, which keeps maintenance costs low. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable, but only if you put in your valuable time and effort to make your site attractive to your readers. If your reader notices that you are getting lazy and skimping on quality, they will most likely not come back. Only through quality content will you truly meet success. Student loan,